Hello everyone, welcome back to Ravenfield. Today I'm doing Pistols Only Challenge. We have the Automatico Kimbo primary, Eagle 50 Precision secondary, and a bunch of 22 Ravens for backup. If you like the video, please subscribe so you can see more content. This map is confusing sometimes. Here, enemies. Well, that's where they were. I just got annihilated. Maybe this wasn't the greatest map. No, it's fine. It'll be fine. Where are they? They were just here. Where'd they go? You got it. Okay. Well, this is off to a fantastic start. Oh. Oh. Bam. Okay, finally get some kills. Anyways, try to capture this point. Is there bad guys anywhere else near? Okay. Ooh. Well, some things I can talk about. Alright. I went to Renfair like a couple days ago now. That was a lot of fun. I did fencing, which I actually took fencing classes like a couple of years ago. And I was like, oh, I'll win. And then I did not win. But it was close. It was pretty close. So that's a plus. Maybe I should turn down scoped sensitivity. That might be smart. Those bad guys are dead. Yeah, what else did we do at the Ren Fair? Well, I died. That was great. Try to side sweep these guys. Oh, shit! I knew he was still alive. Probably came in through that. Is there anyone else here? I really hope my audio is fixed. I've had a lot of trouble with audio and stuff. I tried turning up my... So the problem has been that my voice audio, I just talk quietly apparently, so voice audio gets drowned out by gameplay audio, and hopefully that's fixed this time. I would like that. Oh shit. I mean, I could use that, but it did say pistols only. I'm gonna stick to that. Yeah. Yeah, so my voice gets drowned out by the audio. I turned up some of my voice settings, so hopefully that issue is fixed. Let's see up. Oh, that was close. Any more enemies somewhere? Left? Nope. Ooh, I got flick shot. Oh, that was kind of abysmal. Spam fire. Damn it. Are we winning? Oh, it's close. Jesus. Oh, I thought bad guy for a sec. Jesus, that's a lot of bad guys. Slow-mo. Just like the Matrix. Okay. A little extra ammo. I hear a boat, and boat usually means bad guys. Slow motion. Should probably actually try aiming. Okay. Oh, that was a close one. Okay. Oh, I was saying. Okay, these surprisingly dual automatic pistols is not really all that good. Surprisingly. There's a bad guy at the castle. Oh. There's multiple bad guys in the castle. That's not good. Can't let him take the castle. Oh shit. It's a bad guy. Bam. Oh ow. Jesus. Oh shit. No. Shit. Damn it, Ronnie. Ronald. I kill Ronald now. Ooh, wait. Okay, I guess I don't get a boat. Okay. It's time for Operation Kill Ronald. 'Cause he sucks. Bam. Hopefully this makes for a somewhat interesting video. Oh, that guy's dead. Where are you, Ronald? Oh, his name is Ronnie, but I'm not gonna call him that. He doesn't deserve it. Oop. You just failed. You're a failure, Ronald. Oh, pff, just domed him. We've taken this? We have. Which means there's more bad guys out front. Because of course there are. Oh, frick. Please, please, no, please. Okay. We've got like a 30-point lead now, which is not as much as I'd like. I do 29. Well, see, I'd like to get to 100 though. That'd be nice. There's a lot of bad guys down here. You know what? This is probably stupid, but bam, 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 bam. Yeah! Yo, okay, that actually worked. Surprisingly, oh my god, that man's just rapid firing. That works surprisingly well. I have a... Ah, you missed. What a loser. Okay, that was some abysmal. That's not me though, because that sucks totally. It's totally why. That's an ally, I'm pretty sure. I hope. That was not. Okay, we're good, like 50 points ahead of them. We got a pretty comfortable lead. Whoa. I blind shot that. Oh, destroyed that man's knees. That was kind of disappointing. I mean, I could use that. That'd be cheating. I want to cheat. Bam. Oh, got him. That was nuts. Can bots switch weapons? I didn't think they could switch weapons. Because he was not carrying that beforehand. At least I'm pretty sure he was. Maybe we should try a different line of approach. I feel like one of those guys is... That was not well handled. Oh shit! Ow. Oh, looks like we'll win though. I mean, I guess still make a comeback, but we're a good 40 points ahead. So, I mean, don't really see how they make a comeback from this. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam. Is this... Okay, we are holding this. Okay. I hear someone. Oh, shit. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Cats. I do like cats. Not that cat. Oop. I did not hit that guy. Got your wheels. I should use the slow-mo more often. I don't know. This feels... What was that? What did that? Ooh, huh. Slow-mo, turns out, does not make you more accurate. At least... Ah! That worked not. Oh. No, yeah, we still got like a huge lead though. Time to try this thing out. Oh. Is that a bad guy? Do we not hold that? So imagine if I got a hit from the... Holy shit. There's so much ammo. It's like infinite ammo. It's like insane. Oh, that's a cool... Pretty sure it's friendly fire, so that could have been very bad. But it wasn't. And that guy's dead now. How did... Frost. Frost. Shit, was that? I got him, but Bloop got me. No, we're still winning though. That's good. What else can I talk about? Meanwhile, bam, 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 bam. Ha! Got you. Protect me, smoke. Protect me. Bam. Is there anyone else? Anyone else want some? Bam. We captured this. Yo, wait. Should we have not captured this? Where else are they? Oh shit! This is not. Where are they? Oh, I'm panicking. Oh. Oh shit! That's an ally. Where the bad guys? I'm Wait, I'm not. Where are they? I'm so paranoid right now. Where are they? Ah, got him. Oh. The hip fires. Oh shit. Bam. No! God damn it, entangle. Oh, I think it's a pretty good chance of us winning out and see how they make a comeback from this. I mean, we got over 50 points on them. Like, so me dying so much is not helping our cause at all. I guess this is pistol sniping taken to a whole new level. I've been using this one a lot. It's kind of my best thing, though. That's not. Come on, come on, come on. Die, die. You know what? Fuck it. I just missed so many shots. Ah, I missed those ones. But you. Caddy. Oh my god. What weapon even was that? I don't remember installing that mod. I remember installing a mod that has that, I guess. I never heard see that. Oh, maybe I'm just forgetting. Well, I'm forgetting. I do that a lot. These are good. Okay. We have evidently. Sorry, I should not have done that. I should have just assumed. But no, I had to guess. God damn it. Oh, no, 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 no. Get up. Ah, where are they? Gotta be kidding me. Alright. Well, we've won though. Doesn't matter that I performed just somewhat abysmally. Well, thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you like the video. Leave a like. See you all next time. Bye.